Subscribe to Motoroids for the most in-depth and detailed car and bike reviews. Hit that bell icon and you will be notified before everyone else. Hey guys, welcome to Motoroids.com. My name is Amit Changani and today we are going to unbox a pair of new helmets that have recently been launched in India. Now all of us want to buy a good set of helmet for ourselves. However, to go for the international brands which are very reputed and are known to be very high quality is often very expensive in India owing to duties. And typically a very good quality helmet like an Arai or a Shoei is going to cost you upwards of 10,000 rupees, which is very expensive. It's good to know that a lot of importers have taken the initiative to bring some reasonably well-known brands from Southeast Asian market to the Indian markets. And these helmets typically sell for a price range of 5,500 rupees to 10,000 rupees and a little upwards. Now, in that context, there are a few options available in the market, but there is a new option that is available now, and we'll be unboxing this new brand of helmets which promises to be on the lower side of the price bracket while still offering a very good quality to the people who opt to buy them. So today we are going to unbox this new brand of helmets, relatively new rather, which has been introduced in the Indian market recently. It's known as Zeus and it comes in two variants. Right now we have the ZS813 variant with us, which comes with a sun visor, and we're going to see how good or bad the helmet is in terms of its construction, in terms of its features and in terms of its safety certification. Now to start off, the box of this helmet is not very fancy, and that's deliberate to keep the costs down because the quality of the helmet, as you'll see, is pretty good, and the manufacturers didn't want to increase the price further because they wanted to price it at a certain price point. Opening the helmet box, you get this protective casing which can obviously be easily be removed. Inside you have another layer. This is temporary, this is not meant for reuse. As you can see, this is not a very strong material, so this is just meant to provide additional safety during transit. So I think you'll have to just put it aside after you have unboxed your helmet for the first time. Now this one here is a glossy white and black. We also have another option with us just to show you, and that one is a fluorescent yellow, and we're going to just show you how that helmet looks as well. So this is the other helmet that we have, and this one is a fluorescent yellow, and while this is matte finish, the color on the helmet is going to ensure that the visibility is even better in the dark. Now the shell of these helmets is made from ABS resin, which is pretty sturdy and known to be high quality. It also uses advanced engineering materials in its construction, so the quality, as the specifications say, is pretty good. We'll get to know that once we use the helmet over the longer term, but as we take it in our hand, the finish and everything looks pretty nice for a helmet which is going to be priced between 4,700 and 5,700 rupees. Among the imported helmets and the helmets which are ECE and DoT certified, this is relatively lower in terms of the price range, but it doesn't reflect in terms of the quality of the finish and everything. These helmets look very well finished. The quality of the paint, the quality of the material and the way they have been put together looks absolutely amazing for that price, and it's rather impressive. This one gets a polycarbonate visor with a spring loaded action, so it shuts down pretty firmly, and as they claim, the wind noise inside the helmet is going to be very less. We are going to let you know once we do a review of this product after riding with it extensively. This one is also scratch resistant and comes with UV 400 protection to protect your eyes. Another cool feature that this specific version has is that this one comes with a sun visor. So inside the main visor you have a spring action sun visor which is also UV 400 compliant, so this will save you from harmful ultraviolet radiations, and this can be brought down or taken up by the press of this button here. So this is how it works. In addition, there are a few other features. This one gets 2 + 1 3 ventilators up front. These are the inlets, and obviously you can turn them on or off using these buttons. So the vents can either be opened or shut using these buttons and this button here. And then there are two exhaust points at the rear. So this is a very cool looking spoiler kind of a design touch that the helmet maker has given, and makes it look rather sporty. So this is the exhaust, and these are the 3 inlets. So 5 ventilation points in all. Now inside the helmet, the buckle, as you can see, the chin belt, the chin strap is padded. It's not just a strap, it's padded, and it's a double D ring. So it's going to be race course compliant. If you're going to a racetrack, this double D ring is something that they want you to have in your helmet, and this one has that feature. In addition to the company's claim that the wind noise inside the helmet is going to be very less, they also claim that the high tightness of its fit, the visor's fit, is going to make sure that the rain or water is not going to get inside even when it's pouring or raining very heavily. So that's another claim that we're going to check once we review this helmet extensively. Inside padding is made of high quality materials. This is known to be moisture wicking, which means that if you have sweat on your face or on your hair, this is going to absorb it away from your face and head and make sure that the parts of your face are dry. It's easy to clean, it dries easily, and it's anti-odor, antibacterial. So all of those features are highlighted as the specifications of this specific helmet. Also, this one gets this chin curtain to prevent bugs and dust from getting inside the helmet as you wear it. So those are the features. In addition, the liner is removable and washable, so you can remove this lining whenever you think that despite it being odor resistant, if it's too full of sweat or is smelly. So washability is another highlight of this helmet. Now from a safety perspective, a good helmet has to have ECE, which is a European standard, or DoT, which is an American standard, or a SNEL certification. This one is European and American compliant, so this comes with ECE as well as DoT certification. So that's what the helmet maker claims, although at the back we see only an ECE compliance rating, so that's something that we'll have to double check, but the specifications state that this one is DoT as well as ECE compliant. In any case, this is Euro compliant, so from a safety perspective this has to be good. Now the last thing that's important from a comfort perspective is that the helmet should be lightweight. So we won't say that this is the lightest helmet that we have seen, but if you go below 1.5 kg, helmets which are very light are actually very expensive. This one weighs with the visor and everything about 1.5 kg, which is neither heavy nor too light, but this is a good weight for the price range that it is in, and for that price bracket this is actually quite light. And what the manufacturers also claim is that the helmets are designed to wrap around your face very tightly, unlike a lot of other helmets which are in the segment or above, which hang around a little loose. So the padding has been paid special attention to. It's been 3D tailored, and special attention has been given to the fact that it holds onto your face very, very tightly, and it's very well suited for track use and high speed use. Unlike a lot of other helmets which are more suitable for city use or for low speed use, this one can be used for high speed riding as well. Let's take a closer look at the padding inside the helmet, and as you can see, it's very well ventilated, especially on top the EPS. The ventilating system comprises of 6 large ventilators, and the side fabric is also very good from a ventilation perspective. The padding is very thick, it's a multi-layered sponge, and the quality as claimed by the manufacturers is very high, and it's going to last as well as be very hygienic as well. Before we wrap up this unboxing, let's try and see how this helmet fits. This is a medium sized helmet, and I like my helmets to wrap around my face pretty tight because I don't want them to be wobbling around. So let's see how it fits. The feel from the straps is pretty solid, they don't feel flimsy. The material and the quality and the build seems pretty nice. The visor also has a very solid springy feel to it. Overall, the quality feels pretty good. How well does it perform when we are riding fast on the highway with fast winds and with the rain pouring? We will be able to let you know with a review very soon. So these are the Zeus ZS813 helmets for you. These are imported from Vietnam. They are not made here, and by the look and feel of it, they look pretty high quality. They are not very heavy either, and they look very rich in terms of the features as well. We are not vouching for them just yet because we have just received the helmets and we are going to use them over the next couple of months, and we are going to give you reports about how they look and feel. But in the meantime, if you think that this is a good option for you to check out, maybe it would be a good idea for you to search Zeus Helmets online. There is another option which is ZS811, and that helmet has all the features similar to this one. However, that one doesn't come with the inner visor, and that one is about $1,000 cheaper as well. This one costs about 5,700 rupees a piece, and the other one is 4,700 bucks. We are going to do an unboxing of that helmet as well in due course. However, at this point in time, these two helmets, they look rather cool to us. I like this matte finished fluorescent yellow and black combination. All in all, they look like, they are very well built, and you can have a closer look at the quality of the finish as well as the quality of the paint. Hope that gives you a better idea of how these helmets are. So if these helmets look worth buying to you based on the prices, the link to the website is provided in the description below. So do check out the website, and if you buy one of these, do let us know what you think about the quality so that we also get some useful insights from you. We hope that you liked this video, and by watching this video you got an option to buy a helmet which is good quality and for which you don't have to pay a lot of price. If you found this video useful, do hit the like button, subscribe to Motoroids channel, hit the notification bell icon, and we really hope that we keep coming back to you with more such useful videos. Until next time, this is Amit Changani signing off. Rev hard, rev free, and ride safe.